You're going to throw yourself on your back. I know.
Turn off the lights or no?
It doesn't do me any good with her. She's throws herself on her back. The jam is on. Yep, I'm going to grab her foot. I'm going to lift you up, you little turkey. And I'm going to wrap. Oh! 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 She's going to kill me. Oh! Oh, I know. Oh. That didn't work, did it? It never works. But you gotta try, don't you? Yes. Oh, okay. And here you've been a bad, bad girl, too. Yes, you have. Oh, you're just wasting away there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's a wonder you can even sit on a perch and put your legs together. All right, let me listen to your back. You could unhook me.
Here,
Oh, she can hold you.
Oh, good.
Listen to your back.
Amy.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, wow.
You've been sharpening them? No.
Ouch.
Sharpening them? I see you've done your beak very nicely. Yes, you have.
We're going to try right here.
Yes,
today.
you have.
I'm going to be backwards.
All right. Oh, yeah.
She sees the camera.
You smile, huh? Oh. Yeah. Oh, there's a Sharpie. Oh.
Yeah, this way.
There we go. All right. Needles are gone. Right foot she likes to really sharpen. Yeah, right foot is the one you really sharpen, isn't it?
Is your finger not there?
No, it's not. It's hiding.
She's looking for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not as bad as the last one, but you're a lot bigger than the last one we did. She was a real squirt. And I didn't have to go in looking for her, did I? She jumped right out and tried to rip my face off.